Hello everyone. We're going to discuss a little bit more about this Xeltek Superpro 7000 Universal Programmer. It's a pretty decent programmer. It supports a lot of NAND flash that the Xeltek 6100N don't support, but it don't support what the 7500 supports. So it's a relatively inexpensive programmer that is between the 6100N and the 7500. The only issue with it is it's obsolete. It is an orphaned programmer. What I mean by orphaned is you cannot buy the adapters from the manufacturer. They stopped producing these. It really wasn't their decision to stop producing them because the company, Oupiin, who makes these board-to-board connectors right there, stopped manufacturing them. And I have looked and looked and looked, and I cannot find any replacement that is one-to-one, 100% compatible replacement. I made a little socket cover. I will list my printables, but that is the connector right there. I have a teardown of this on my blog. You can go look at the teardown of it. The current adapters, this one here, this one has a magic chip. These adapters right here have an ID chip. That chip is a moneymaker for Xeltek. It basically tells the programmer, yes, this adapter is a EX001. EX001. Okay, that's basically all it does. When they do a revision, like add a capacitor for a decoupling capacitor or a pull down resistor or a pull up resistor or something, they'll change it. They'll put like a dash T001 and charge the same amount or more just to change the identification. So that's what the magic chip does. I have other videos, if you look through my channel, on what that does. So if you look at this, it's the same dimensional size adapter, but the connectors are a lot larger. These are standard high-rose FX2 connectors, widely available, compared to the Oupiins that are discontinued, no longer manufactured. So that leaves us to my current project with this thing, to make this adapter work on that programmer, so that you can use GX adapters instead of these hard to find, unavailable EX adapters. Well, the GX adapter has a different pinout than the EX. They're slightly shifted a few pins. So I just decided, well, I'm going to whip something up. Since I had the layout from doing the adapter socket cover right there, put that back in. I whipped something up, and we have JLC PCB. I am not sponsored by JLC PCB, I just use them. And I'm very satisfied with their quality. So, look at that. These are really nice programmers. They're very fast. But being orphaned, kind of makes it difficult, because you can't get adapters, and you always need adapters for something. And I made a universal that will take the magic chip, but I messed up a few areas on it. I've just got to redo it. I'll let you look at that. And I think I'm just going to wait for the Mega Magic adapter for the 7500 to come out. It looks really nice. I got to preview of it. So I decided, JLC PCB. So I ordered these about 2 weeks ago. This was a difficult task. Thankfully, since there's no schematics or anything, I was able to use the silk screening on the board and locations of the transistors to get the pinout for both these board-to-board connectors. What pin is pin 1, what pin is 120, etc. So when I was able to map it out and have these made. So I might be slightly off on my connection. That didn't. That's a quality flaw there. I didn't see that. So these are adapters. Should allow us, if we take some, these are the male high-rose connectors. Let's see, which direction? Did I put a direction on this one? No, I didn't. We'll just look at this here. Okay, so these will go there and there. So now we'll have a female socket, and on the back here is the footprint for a set of donors. Or I was thinking you could use 1.0 millimeter pitch header pins, pull them off, pull these board-to-boards off, and replace those with a male header, and then run a female header on that side, and just permanently install it. That way, it'll just look like that, and then you can take your GX adapter and plug it into the top. And then the identification chips identify EX, and I was also told by Xeltek that the GX and EX chips are both compatible. So the GX, and I tried that with the Magic chip on this board here. This is going to be my donor connectors. The GX chip will work on the 7000 and the 7500. So when it says I need to be a GX 10 or EX 1044, if you popped a GX 1044 adapter, it'll identify. I have tried it by typing in GX and having the Magic chip installed on this board. It worked just fine. It identified. Either way, you could, when the Mega Magic comes out, you can just use one of those and you'll be fine. So this is my idea. So it was very tedious getting it to go from 0.1 millimeter pitch or 1.0 millimeter pitch to the 1.2, and getting all the pins to shift and twist, but I think it turned out. I'll find out if everything lines up. That was my first time doing a crosshatch for the ground plane, or the shield is what it's called. I think it turned out fine. So I'll test these. Like I said, I think I messed up by 0.2 millimeters on the connector. Oop, there is Cotty. She has to get involved. But I do have the proper connectors for the top. I know this spacing is good. The spacing on the bottom is, you have to be a little bit more precise, but I might be 0.2 millimeter off. I had some blow melt solder because I need to pull these off without damaging them because they are unobtainable. I'm gonna pull these off. I'll put them on and I will test it. I might have to do another spin of these, but prototypes are pretty reasonably cheap. So that's how I'm going to solve my issue of not having. Oh, you want to see Cotty, huh? There's Cotty. She's got her microphone on. Can you hear her purring? Is she a good kitty? Oh. Yeah, she's a good kitty. So I hope this works. I did this pretty quick, so I'll know really quick if it's going to work or not. But it should work. I'm very confident. So I will do a follow-up. So like, subscribe, and hopefully this will solve another gap in the market, and we'll be able to have adapters widely available for the Superpro 7000. So I'll list the blog post in the description. We'll catch y'all later.